got up today at 5 o'clock to find out what this random noise was. And it's literally the Smuna getting it. I mean, I'm not upset. I had to get up anyway. That's what time I normally get up. But I was like, what is that noise? And so, yeah, I come out and she is just playing. Like, when I got up, like, the whole entire thing was moved by like 10 feet. So I had to move it a little bit over. But, oh, she is getting it. But, yeah. I was just making sure someone didn't break into the house. That's the last thing I need. Right, baby? Here, let me help you out. You don't know what's going on. Confusion. Oh, snap.